This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to your Motorola phone. So just swipe down from the top right and we can go on down under here and we can go to settings. Go to where it says Bluetooth, connected devices, pairing, etc. Go to pair new device. Open up your case on the AirPods and flip it around. There should be a little button on the back we just have to hold down. And it should start blinking now. You might have an option on your phone to scan or refresh. Press that so you can find and discover Bluetooth devices. Here's my AirPods. I'm going to go ahead and just select them. Go to pair. And they are now connected to my Motorola phone. Very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.